Hey guys, Vance here from Proline Racing with our smallest scale tire ever. This is the Class 0 BFGoodrich Krawler T KX 1.9. You scale enthusiasts have been asking for a Class 0 legal tire, and this KX comes in at the maximum of 3.85 inches in diameter. All the details of the full-size tire are represented in this Class 0 version, even down to the TAs on the side tread. These tires are available in our G8 compound and our high-performance Predator compound for your next Class 0 comp. Bring the iconic looks and performance of this BFG tire to your scale crawler with the Proline Class 0 BFGoodrich Krawler T KX 1.9. Thank you for watching the video, guys. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave us a comment, and ring the bell for notifications of new videos. For more information on all of our BFG products and everything else we make, visit ProlineRacing.com.